Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Simpsons sedan. And pretty much on the home stretch now. Got the body fully painted, got the interior done, chassis done. To start out, do a quick spin around here. This is the Sweet Pea paint that I was talking about adding last time. And although I like the color, it went on strange and have a weird miscolored trunk lid, even though everything was painted at the same time. Uh, so I'm going to have to repaint that there. But yeah, otherwise, it had kind of a sandy finish when I first put it on. And I sanded that off and I got it pretty close to how I want it. But it still has, take a closer look here. It still has a little bit of an eggshell finish to it. And this wasn't what I was intending, but considering that the car is a little beat up, the front fender there is kind of a hallmark of the car. I don't know if I really object to it, so still thinking on what I'm going to do for the body there. But the rest of it, pretty well done. Take a look at the interior here. Got some scratch-built door panels, and got some hardware in there. Dashboard here is out of a 70 Chevelle with a parts box steering wheel and scratch-built shift lever. Make sure that it fit the Cadillac windshield. I used the leading edge of the Cadillac dashboard and got that on a pivot so that I can make sure that it lines up with everything once it's in the car. Got the firewall done. And I think the interior is just about all set at this point. I also redid the wheels from the last video. It used to be a set of hubcaps off of a 72 Chevy, but they were a little too distinct for my taste, so I replaced them with these, and they're modified from a 49 Lincoln. I originally had those for a different project and didn't work on that, but I thought they'd work out fine here. Kind of a silver wheel with the chrome dog dishes. I don't know what I'm going to do for the trunk here. Might put something in there, might just leave it. I haven't decided, so that's going to be a later thing. But yeah, so just about finished with it until I decide what I'm going to do with the body. Not going to be adding more trim to it, but that's really the only thing that we've got left here. So let me know what you think. Do you think that the paint is acceptable as is, aside from the trunk here, which I'm going to try to get the color a little bit closer? But you think the eggshell is appropriate, or should I give it a little more work and try to gloss coat it? Let me know what y'all think, and gonna hopefully have this finished up on Christmas break. So check back then, and thanks for watching.